Hi, my name is Victor. I'm working with Eagle Paving today in San Diego, grinding down some trip hazards on commercial property. I've been using the Tomahawk Scarifier for about 2 years now, and for this type of work, it's my go-to. Makes it easy and fast. Before using the Tomahawk Scarifier, we were using a handheld grinder. It was a pain. You had to be on your knees almost all day. Your hands were just shaking. They would get numb. Sometimes even burning through your glove, your back would hurt. Having now the concrete just in your mouth, in your nose, it was a huge struggle. This machine, it's a lot faster, really aggressive, which is exactly what you want to get rid of trip hazards. I usually take them down in a couple of passes. By the time I knock down 5 spots with this machine, it's like doing 1 by hand, so it's a lot faster. When they're thicker, it's even better. It's more smooth. And a big part of that is the engine. It has a Honda engine on it. It's really reliable. It starts on the first pull. I've put a lot of hours on it without any issues. Plus the blades hold up really well. Even running 40 to 60 spots a week, we're still getting great life out of them. You're not hurting your knees, you're not hurting your back. You could use it almost all day and you're not even tired. And by doing it by hand, we also use it for more than just trip hazards. Line removal, coatings too, so it's a really versatile machine. The Tomahawk being here locally in San Diego, it's great help. If I need parts or anything, I can get support fast, which keeps us on schedule. I recommend the Tomahawk Scarifier to anybody who's doing sidewalk work, coatings, or surface prep, anything like that. If you're doing this kind of work, it's definitely worth it. After a couple years running it, there's not much to say. The results speak for themselves.